Discussing about frontal sinuses. Frontal sinuses is situated in frontal bone. They are separated from each other. These bones are separated with each other by a bony septum. Each sinus is in triangular shape and extended upward above the medial aspect of the eyebrows and back into the medial part of the back into the this is a medial part of the orbit. Interior wall is attached to the frontal bone forehead, skin, and the supraorbital nerves and supraorbital nerves, because there is a supraorbital notch present here into the roof of the orbit. Posteriorly, it is attached to the cerebral hemisphere. Posteriorly attached to the cerebral hemisphere, frontal lobe of cerebral hemisphere. The roof of sinuses is attached to the nose and orbit. Roof of the sinuses is attached to the nose and the orbit. Frontal sinuses communicate the nose through infundibulum or frontonasal duct. Through frontonasal duct into the middle meatus of nose, opening frontal sinuses into hiatus semilunarus. Hiatus semilunarus में ओपनिंग होती है और into middle meatus. दिस इज़ ये सारी जो हमने एक्सप्लेन की है, ये सारा किसका था? फ्रंटल साइनसेस nerve supplied by frontal sinuses is by supraorbital nerves, which passes through the supraorbital foramen or notch. Lymphatic drain into submandibular nodes में and arterial supply by supraorbital arteries and ethmoidal arteries. सुप्राऑर्बिटल आर्टरीज और इथमॉइडल आर्टरीज क्या करती हैं? फ्रंटल साइनसेस को सप्लाई करती हैं. The extent of development of frontal sinuses vary person to person वेरी करती है. इंडिविजुअल किसी में एक्सेसिवली डेवलप होती है, किसी में एक्सेसिवली डेवलप नहीं होती. इट डिपेंड अपॉन पर्सन होते हैं. Sinus so large that it invades adjacent bones. It may be so large होती है कि ये बड़ी भी हो सकती है कि इन्वेड कर सकती है अदर बोन.